Hello, and welcome to Audi Middleburg Heights. We would like to make you more familiar with our service department. Our service department is open from 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday and Thursday, and 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Saturday. The service center is connected to our dealership on the east side of the building. When you arrive, simply pull into the right side of the service drive. Once you enter the service drive, you will be greeted by one of our friendly lane attendants. We will place a floor mat, seat cover, and steering wheel cover to protect your car during the service, while also performing an exterior general inspection. When entering the service drive, you will seamlessly drive over our digital tire tread measuring tool that automatically processes the tread depth of each tire in seconds. You will then be greeted by one of our service advisors who will review your vehicle service history, advise you on any maintenance recommendations, and update any contact information that you may have changed. All of our services include a multi-point inspection in addition to an open campaign check. We know that your time is valuable. That's why Audi Middleburg Heights has complimentary pickup and delivery options with new Audi vehicles for your convenience. We also have a drop box if you bring your vehicle outside of normal business hours. It is located next to the service drive. When we are done servicing your vehicle, we will perform a complimentary hand car wash. Then it will be valeted back to the service drive, and you'll be on your way. So next time your Audi needs service, please call our service department or visit our website at audimiddleburgheights.com and schedule your appointment online. New home, new location, same great Sunnyside service.